Do you want instantly to boost your comments and saves? It all starts with the right question. Engagement questions are one of the most powerful tools for creators and anyone building an audience. They encourage people to interact with your content, which tells the platforms that your post is valuable. But not all questions are created equal. The type of questions you ask determines the kind of response you get. Here are 5 main types of engagement questions that work every time. Number 1, opinion-based questions. Ask your audience for their thoughts or feelings. People love sharing their perspective because it validates their voice. Example, which design do you like more? 1 or 2. There is self-expression. Number 2, experience-based questions. Invite your audience to share their personal experiences. This builds relatability and community. Example, what's the best advice you have ever received? So, there will be storytelling and nostalgia as psychological trigger. Number 3, choice, this or that questions. Give options for quick, low-effort interaction. These are very good for fast engagement. Example, coffee or milk? Which fuels your morning? The psychological trigger is decision-making and fan comparison. Number 4, prediction expectation questions. Ask your audience to predict or guess something. This creates curiosity and suspense. Example, what do you think will be the biggest trend in 2026? The psychological trigger is curiosity, anticipation. Number 5, advice problem-solving questions. Ask your audience to give advice or solve a problem. People love to feel helpful. Example, if you were in my shoes, what would you do? Psychological trigger, expertise, sharing, contribution. Pro tip, always pair your question with a personal statement or story. It makes the question feel authentic rather than generic.